Fizzy might scratch. Trying to carry him? He thinks you're playing with him. Give him Fizzy a kiss. Oh, that's nice. Well, he wants your foot. Is he your best buddy? Fizzy. Why don't you give him a piece of food or something? Be nice to Biz. Give him some food. You gonna carry him? Oh, he's heavy. Oh, he doesn't like that, honey. He might scratch.
Oh.
Fizzy, you get kisses after. Uh-oh. Did he scratch you?
Oh.
Oh. He coming to get a kiss?